I'm seeing you taking actions, doing something at hindi lang basta umuupo at naghihintay. Ibig sabihin, kumikilos ka, gumagawa ng paraan, posibleng solusyon, no, sa mga kinakaharap mong sitwasyon. You could be someone who is intuitive but doesn't have to be. But maybe you are someone here who believes kay universe, angels and guides, ancestors, and even sa mga tarot at energy readings. Yan. So, hindi na tayo nagtataka doon, kaya ka nga nandito. Dahil nanonood ka at nakikinig ka. Let us see what do we have here for you guys. It looks like you are very in control of your emotions, feelings, at meron ka ditong plano, ha? At mukhang yung plano na yan, no, plansyado na yan, no? Kumbaga yung plano mo na yan, plano mo na talaga yan, wala yung plan B, plan C, no? Kasi alam mo na mag-work tong plano na ito. Wow! No? Tama nga naman. Kasi kung magpa-plan B ka, plan C ka, so inaasahan mo na mag-fail na yung plan A mo. 'Di ba? Yan Hindi ko naman sinasabi mga babes, no, na na mali gumawa ng plan B, plan C, no? Pero ikaw kasi ito yung energy mo na very in control ka, na alam mo na yung plano mo na to, no? Plan A, wala nang kasunod, no? Ay magwo-work. Ganun ka kadeterminado with the Emperor's energy na tinataglay mo. Alamin natin, ano ba ginagawa mo dito? Kasi it looks like you are very in control of your emotions, of your feelings, and even sa yung actions. Tuloy-tuloy yung paggawa mo ng actions. No? Oh, mukhang nalalaman mo na ito bago pa man ito mangyari. Kumbaga mga babes, no? Etong sitwasyon na to, no, yan, ikaw ito na alam mo na mangyayari itong bagay na to, no? Bago pa ito mangyari. Yan, no? Alam mo na, nararamdaman mo na, no? Nakita mo na itong paparating sa'yo. Wow! So, doesn't have to be that you are a psychic medium or someone who has a third eye, but this is you just feel it, that it's coming. Nararamdaman mo na ito ay mangyayari sa iyo no matter what happens. And you believe that. And that becomes your belief. And then you hold on to it. And then boom! Yun nga yun. Okay? This is so close to you. This is so close na mangyayari na sa iyo. And you know that to your one's energy. Wow! So, let me just get into your reading, no? Pero, ilatag muna natin more, okay? So, you do have here the 8 of Coins, the 6 of Cups, 5 of Swords, the 5 of Wands, okay? But I've mentioned 5 of Swords, yeah. This is what you fought for, okay? And this is the type of battle here na pinanghawakan mo talaga, no? Ng matagal na panahon. And then, boom! It became your reality. Right at the heart of your reading is the Hierophant energy. Wow! Not everybody can do that. It requires discipline, okay? So, kung ano man yan, sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya, dasyong okay? Yeah. Kayo talaga to na mahilig kayong makinig, no? At manood ng mga tarot readings or energy readings like this, no? Yan. Ooh. So this is what it is. The 10 of Coins energy. Wow. This is big. This is huge, guys. Wow. World card, Four of Swords. Ace of Coins energy. At sumisilip rito ang Eight of Cups energy. Yeah. Okay. So, before we start, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, newbies, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome tuloy. At sa mga returning viewers ko at mga subscribers since day 1 na kasama ko na kahit sa kabilang channel. Yeah, yung mga hindi pa knows, no? Mayroon pa tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. At pwede ka rin tumambay dyan, no? At sa mga nakakasama ko na din there, since day 1 ko sa YT, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta, no? Wala ako dito, guys, no? Kung wala din kayo. Yan. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga suporta, no? At warm love na binibigay nyo sa akin. Yeah, saranghayo everyone. So, yun nga, wala tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong i-flip yung roles if you want. And at the end of the day, you always hold your free will with you na free mo rin gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, here, beautiful. Alam mo na mangyayari ito. Alam mo na one day, mangyayari ito sa buhay mo. And you're very close to it. It's very close, no, na mangyayari na sa buhay mo. In the immediate future, you will receive this. Whatever it is that you envision here sa iyong mind, whatever it is that you look forward here in your life, it will become your reality. And what is that, Miss Yan? Love and career is yung pinaka nakukuha ko rito na minamanifest mo at nagsa-stand out na dalawa sa pinakamalalaki na marireceive mo na pagbabago sa buhay mo. And it's very close to happening here. There's already happening, no, in the background here. The universe, the angels and guides are very busy in making this beautiful, no, manifestation to happen sa inyong life. Yan, no? Pretty soon, sweetheart, no? The changes that you want here sa yung work, the money that you crave for, and the love of your life. Eight of Coins energy, Six of Cups. These are both actions being taken. You fueled yourself in filling up your own vessel. Meaning to say, hindi mo lang ito pinangarap, gumawa ka din ng paraan. So kung trabaho ito, you did whatever it is that you can, no? You applied for that job, to that dream company, or if it is a business, you do everything from permits, from planning, everything. Okay? Hindi mo ito sinukuan. Okay? You applied for that job, okay, and then you got hired, and then you showed your effort, and then you got promoted, and then this is you are now in the type of position, higher position that you want, that you dream of, diba? And not just that, the love of your life. That person, you pursue that person. Hindi mo siya sinukuan. Niligawan mo siya kahit antagal, bago ka niya sagutin. Yan, no? Wala tayo dito ng gender, no? Matagal ka nag-express ng emotions and feelings sa kanya, no? Pero hindi ka nawalan ng pag-asa. And then, boom! That specific person here accepted your love offer or will accept your love offer, your chalice of love. Okay? Kung meron kayong specific person na pinupursue. If wala, okay, you really call in your true soulmate to enter your life. Wherever part of the world man siya ngayon, you called upon that soulmate. Okay? By means of maintaining this belief, positive mindset na one day, this person will come into your life and then boom, this person here will show up out of the blue and you will be amazed that this person here embodies everything you want in a future spouse. The characteristics, the personalities, the behavior, and even physical attributes, physical appearance right here. Gusto ko po long hair siya. Gusto ko po fair yung skin niya. Whatever. Okay? This person is the person you called upon. Okay? Your ideal person will pop out in your life, no? Pretty soon. Career, love, wow. Everything's perfect. Okay? And you've manifested that money, that big amount of money, that fat, big wallet. Wow. Sinong gusto dito na mataba yung wallet, diba? Taas ang kamay, diba? So, lahat tayo gusto yun, diba? Meron tayong sapat na pera, na ipon. Pwede natin bilhin kung ano yung bagay na gusto natin. Hindi lang yung mga pangangailangan natin at sa loob ng pamilya. Kahit yung mga bagay na wala lang, gusto lang natin. You can buy that. This, that, this. Everything. Money isn't a problem. Haya-hayang life. That's what you want, diba? Regardless of your situation right now, even though you're short with finances, even though there are loans na kailangan bayaran, but your mindset is telling you, one day, hindi ganito habang buhay ang buhay ko. It will change. And you make that bold movements or actions to change your life. And the angels right here, no, ay sobrang nagagalak dahil tinutulungan mo sila na baguhin yung buhay mo. And then boom, it happened. Maraming sitwasyon na pwede nilang padaanin yung pera papunta sa'yo. Okay? One affirmation you can use to attract money is knowing in your mind, may paparating sa aking pera. May paparating sa aking pera. Yan, no? I-instill mo yun sa mind mo. May paparating sa aking pera. Huwag mong isipin kung paano makakarating yung pera sa'yo. Basta isipin mo, may paparating sa aking pera. Okay? That is one of mantra. That is one affirmations you can use to attract this money fast and quick in your life. What else? Second affirmation you can use. OMG! Money is here! Andito na nga yung pera. You know? See? How does it feel that money is coming towards you na may inaantay kang money? How does it feel? Diba? And then next thing you'll know, you're gonna witness real money comes to you. Maraming paraan si universe. Ikaw nga ni human being, diba? You do not have that power, you do not have that magic, no? You do not have that magic wand na i-wave mo yung magic wand mo and then ayan na yung pera, no? Let the universe do that for you. Marami silang paraan. Huwag mong isipin kung paano pupunta yung pera sa'yo. Hayaan mo si universe ang mag-handle nun. Okay? Gumawa ka ng action. Okay? If you really want to help universe, no, saan ba merong malaking pera? Tumaya ka sa loto. Try the lottery. Join the contest. Maraming paraan. Diba? Example, may mga kagaya sa example ko lang 'to mga babes, no? Pero hindi po ako endorser ng GCash. Meron dun sa GCash na kapag gumamit ka ng load, no? Nag-load ka dun, no? Tapos 50 pesos yung niload mo, no? Meron dun na parang game. Parang libre yon, no? Pero ang mapapanalunan mo dun is 200,000 if I'm not mistaken, or parang yun yung parang pinaka-large na money dun, no? So parang ganun. Sumali ka sa mga legit kung saan pwedeng dumaan yung pera papunta sa'yo. Okay? Kasi padadaanin ni universe sa lahat ng sulok at lahat ng opportunities yung pera sa'yo, just know na may paparating na pera sa'yo. And then you're gonna witness this right in front of your eyes. Money is here. No? Baka bigla na lang magbigay ng pera sa'yo. Baka bigla ka na lang pamanahan ng inheritance dito. Diba? Maraming paraan. Si universe, kahit hindi siya nagwo-work kay BDO. Universe find the ways. Diba? Hindi pa ko endorse ng BDO, mga babes. No? Pero yun kasi yung tagline nila. So, see? Ganun din sa love of your life. Do something to make the universe right here na matagpuan mo yung person na yon. How? Tingin mo ba pag nasa bahay ka lang, matatagpuan mo siya? Labas. Okay? If a friend invites you out, ay tara, punta tayo sa mall, yan, no? Samahan mo siya. Go out. Okay? Because the universe has many ways. Okay? Para makita mo at ma-meet mo ang love of your life. Baka siya na yung tao na makakabunggo ng balikat mo. Okay? So, see? You just need to do something in order for you to receive this because the universe and the angels are now working here. Okay? Maintain that positive mindset. Okay? Isipin mo that there is really someone here for you. Everybody has that red string. Okay? May karugtong yung red string mo san man yan sulok ng mundo. Kahit dun pa yun sa North Pole, no? Dulo-dulo kayo, North Pole, Bikini Bottom, ni SquarePants, SpongeBob, diba? Ganun. Okay? Everybody has their own red string. At may karugtong yan. Okay? Love and career is really standing out. Okay? And you're doing great because marami rito na with the 5 of Wands energy, pero 5 of Swords yung binanggit natin kanina, marami rito yung posibleng maraming sinasabi ng mga negative things about you, di mo yun makukuha, walang para sa'yo, blah, 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 no? Kaliwat kanan dito, no? Pati yung mga dapat mo ritong issue na ayusin, mga situations na magulo, no? But you maintain your peace. Very good. Not everybody is disciplined to do this. Hierophant energy. You're just trusting na magbabago yung buhay mo one day. And then you took actions to make it happen. 8 of Wands to the 6 of Cups energy. 6 of Cups is an action energy, no? So, dito, dahil mahilig kang manood ng mga tarot at energy readings, no? Naririnig mo na rin itong tagumpay na to, hindi lang dito sa channel ko, pati sa ibang mga energy readers, no? Na pinapanood mo. Okay? Naririnig mo na yan at nararamdaman mong para yan sa'yo. And boom! The money that you're craving for, the stable money na paparating at hindi na mawawala sa'yo, the love of your life, someone that you will build a family and a home with. Both are coming to you. And this is a call for celebration. This signs, this beautiful things right here, nakita mo na yan sa panaginip mo. Okay? You already saw it in your dreams. And then boom, nagbago nga yung life mo. At magbabago nga yung life mo. World card right here. A new chapter here of your life. Far different from your life right now. Wow! You see? This is a new start here. The new beginning na pinanghawakan mo at inilaban mo. No? Pinaniwalaan mo at hindi mo talaga sinukuan. No? My life will change one day. And then, boom! It did. Wow! Manifestations are really true. Okay? Pero importante na paniwalaan mo to. Okay? Wow! Your life is really changing here. And you already know this is coming. And this is about to happen here in your life. And it became your reality. Wow. So continue maintaining this peace and not let toxic energies enter your mindset and enter your life. Okay? So, these are all the messages I've got right here for you. Okay? Wow. So, muli ako po si Yan. Sa ngayong Love and Light. Annyeong.